Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today video we talk about history of elephant. Elephant have a long and fascinating history. They are among the oldest living mammals species with fossil evidence dating back over 50 million years. Elephants are known for their intelligence and social behavior, and they have played important roles in the culture of many human societies throughout history. The elephant is native to Africa and part of Asia, and there are many.
Mommy, give me the. The power and their vitality and their beauty, but unfortunately that doesn't work.
While Asian elephants are smaller and have smaller ears, both species are intelligent and social animals living in herd led by a dominant female. Elephants have played a variety of roles in human society throughout history. They have been used for transportation, warfare, labor, and they have also been revered in many cultures for their intelligence and strength. In Hinduism and Buddhism, elephants are seen as symbol of strength, wisdom, and good fortune. Fortune in ancient Egypt, elephants were used in construction and as symbol of power and reality. In more recent history, elephants have faced numerous challenges including habit loss and poaching for their ivory tusk. Conservation efforts have been implemented to protect these animals and their habitat, and there are no now law in place and to prevent the illegal trade in ivory. Despite these efforts, elephants continue to face threat and their population have declined significantly in some areas. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.